Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to be building the Fireball from Star Wars Resistance. So, before we get started, let's let that intro roll and we will get started, shall we? Let's... Alright, so here we are, and here it is, the Fireball from Star Wars Resistance. So, if you have not seen my mock spotlight on this, I would highly recommend taking a look at it. And I will be carded up in the upper right hand corner, as always, so yeah, I would highly recommend taking a look at that. So, without further ado, before we get started, let's quickly take a look at this, and then we'll get started. So, here's the front view, the back, the left, the right, the bottom, and of course the top. So yeah, here we are, here it is. So let's get this thing started, shall we? Let's. So what we're first going to need to do is get a brick 1x1 with 2 studs, a brown brick, orange, and a plate 1x2. Plate 1x1. Was trying to prevent something from happening. Yeah, it was just me preventing something from happening, folks. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, I just want to be sure that was the actual right part. Okay. That can go there. Orange round brick. That goes there. Modified brick. And there you go. That's what that should look like so far. Step 2. We're going to need 2 plates 1x2 dark gray and 2 slopes 1x2. Bluish gray. Plate 1x2. Slope plate, and there. Alright, so, oh shoot, okay. Have a little situation here. And when this happens, okay, I am fixing it right now. Don't worry. I thought I dealt with it, but I didn't. Okay. Step 3. Okay. We're gonna need a brick 1x1, 2 bricks 1x1 with 4 studs, and 2 plates 1x1. So brick, orange 1x1. And then we need black, modified brick, 1x1, the plate, run 1, and then this will go here, like so. Step 4, we're going to need a plate 1x2, tile 1x2 and a plate 1x2 and 2 1x4 white plates and a dark gray 1x2, 1x4. So let me do the 1x4 plates right now. Dark green. Then we need orange, plate 1x2, and a tile 1x2. And that's how that should look so far. Of course I did that. Okay, now we're going to need a plate 1x2, 1x1, and a slope transparent 1x2. And there you go. That's what that should look like so far. Now we're going to need two more plates 1x2, brick 1x2, 1x1 with 4 studs. Well, these are 1x1s, and we're going to need some more of that throughout the rest of the back of the ship. I'm just going to make my life a little easier here instead of just a little easier here. 1, 2. Okay, so that's how that should look so far. Okay, so we're gonna need a plate 2 plate 1x1s, 2 plate 1x1s with 1 clip, 4 gray 1x1 plates, 1x4 gray plates, and a 1x4 white plate. So what I'm going to do here is we are going to start off with a white plate and kind of build from there right now. We're going to build that off of there, build the assembly that's on the back of the ship. For the wings, take that. Well, hang on, wait. While we're there, while we have these, we'll take these grays, attach them underneath the ship. Like so. And then we just need orange, one here. And then we'll need clips, modified. One will go here, and one will go here. And that's how that should look. And these should attach on like so. And that's how that assembly, this is how how this should look so far. Of course, that happened. Okay, now we need a plate 1x2 with 1 stud, a tile 1x2, and a round plate, or 2x2. So here, attach that on the back. Round plate. And then the plate 1x2. Like so. And that's how that should look so far. So step 9 is we're going to need some hinge plates and some hinge clips. And from there, I'll put those on and then we'll get the angling right for this. And then we need dark gray. No, wait, wrong piece. My bad. $320. And 5. And that's going to be the same thing on the opposite side. Have to fix this again. I am doing my best to make sure this doesn't keep happening. Okay, now we're going to need 2 orange slope pieces, wedge plates, and 2 hang pieces, 2 of the hang pieces. Yep, okay. That. Oh, I just flew right past him. Here we are. So one will go here, and one will go here. And then we take these, and we attach them on, like so. Like so. Again, I did it. God dang it. So now we're going to need a clip and a hinge, and we're going to need a 1x2 plate. Okay. One, two. We need gray. Orange. Shoot. You go here, and then we just put that back on. $115 and $300. And the 300, like so. Okay, now we need 2 plates 1x2 in dark gray, and we need 2 plates 1x1 in white. And if you hear my sister exiting in and out of the room, I am sorry about that. I do apologize for that. That goes there, that goes there. Gosh darn it, I did it again. I keep doing this unintentionally, folks. I really do keep doing this unintentionally. Okay, what's different from the last one? Oh wait, yeah. Okay, so now we need to add clip 1x1, a rod 6L, and the lightsaber hilt for both sides, and those will be the blasters. Oh, here we are. Doy, it's right in your face, Damien. My bad. That's 6.6. I need 6. Here. Bluish gray. We'll go here. One will go here. And then we just need 2 plates, 1 by 1 round dark trans dark blue. Round. And there you go! That's the fireball, folks! Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoyed making it for you all. So yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. I had fun making it for you all. So this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below what kind of models you would like to see in the future. I'll happily take requests. Requests are always greatly appreciated. Please comment down below what you think of this model. I would love to hear what your thoughts are. Also, check out DK Gaming Studios. Link to that in the description down below, and will be at the end of this, shown at the end of this video. Also, check out the channel. Also, check out my friend Rise. Link to that in the description down below. Also, check out my friend. Also, check out my socials. Link to those are in the description down below. And yeah, that's basically it. I think. Also, I forget what I said, but please like, comment, share, and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. And yeah, this is Dave from DKBrickStudios signing off. And remember, may the force and the force of others be with you always. So, see you all in the next video.
Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot.